Hey everybody, today we are unboxing and reviewing some purses from this website, Verano. They reached out to me, they sent these bags, but I'm not under any obligation to give any kind of opinion except my own personal honest one. I'll have links and any discount codes that they give me in the description box down below, or maybe even on the screen. If you've got questions, leave them in the comments. Did some research once they reached out to me about Verano. It looks like they had features in Forbes, Elle, and Bazaar. They do have a 6-month warranty on all of their items, free shipping, free returns, 24/7 customer support. And right now they actually have a buy one get one sale on their website. A lot of the things have vegan leather, and then a lot of things say a mixture of genuine leather and poly. I also did some research about what genuine leather is, and I could not get a straight answer online. Some people say that it's like the cheapest kind of leather that's mixed with other ingredients. Some people say that it's split leather. Don't really know. Not very clear what that is, so I can't speak to if a bag says that it's genuine leather, what that really means. I did unbox these to show you guys how well protected they are. They come in a really nice blue dust cloth, and then inside are really in a lot of protective packaging, and then within that protective packaging another more basic simple dust cloth. This is the first bag I want to show you guys. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is the Natalie handbag in green. It's $145. Again, free shipping, free returns. It's made out of vegan leather, and to me the color is what grabbed me. I love green. I think that it's an absolutely gorgeous green, exact same in person as it was online. I loved this handle. This triangle handle I thought was really interesting, as well as this kind of woven leather texture that also really grabbed me. Just unique, interesting, different, geometric, cool, but also really practical because it's a pretty large bag and you can either carry it by the handle, or there is a strap that comes inside that is adjustable, so you can wear it crossbody or on your shoulder. The dimensions of this, it is 11 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 9.4 inches high. A decent size bag, like big. You guys can see you can fit anything and everything that you need in here. It has this really nice kind of suede-y bottom, and then leather on the outside, so it's protected from the elements. Star of this is this little cinch bag that comes to line this purse. It is branded with the Verano logo. It is an all-weather type material, and the drawstring itself, look here, is leather, so you can cinch this up and tie it to secure your belongings in here and not worry about anything. It could potentially falling out between the weave of the leather. So I think that's really cool. You can obviously use this for a really nice, protective, monochromatic look, but I also think it'd be really cool to style a scarf or something inside, just for a pop of color or pattern or something like that. Next up, we have the Marseilles handbag in black. Now this one is also $145. It's made out of genuine leather plus polyester. That's how it's described on the website. So if you guys know what that means, help us all out by explaining in the comments down below, because I'm just not sure. The dimensions on the bag are 11.2 inches long, 4.3 inches wide, 8.7 inches high. Again, a really good sized purse. It is so classic looking. I think this is supposed to look like a Birkin, but again, I don't have a lot of knowledge about designer handbags, so somebody let me know. I love this kind of faux alligator texture here. You can see it's branded with the Verano logo here on the bottom. It has this really beautiful and functional clasp at the top. It also does come with a detachable strap that you can put on that's completely adjustable, so you can shorten or lengthen this strap to carry it crossbody or on your shoulder. I really love the handles on this, so I think carrying it with the handles just looks so classic and old-fashioned and timeless. To me, where this really shines is the interior structure of the bag. So we have two exterior pockets on either side for things that you can have quick and easy access to, but then we have this zippered portion right here in the middle, and within that zippered portion it's subdivided into 3 compartments. One compartment has an interior pocket, one compartment itself within this zippered compartment is also zippered, and then the other side has a small zipper on top below this Verano logo. Now, I love that because it makes me feel like all of my things can be both very organized and very secure. I love the feeling of this one. I love the structure. And I have to say, with all of these bags in person, they feel really well made, really constructed, and really high quality, especially given the price. Now, this is more than you would spend maybe on a bag on Amazon, but the difference in quality is astounding. I love this one. I think it might be my favorite, but we have another one. And as always, I want you guys to vote and tell me which is your favorite in the comments down below. And last, but certainly not least, we have this gorgeous Camila tote bag. Again, same price point as the others. This I got in the color beige. It's made of genuine leather and has a single central top opening. It features an adjustable shoulder strap along with a spacious compartment that's perfect for carrying all your daily essentials in style. It's a really smooth textured leather that's supple, but it's meant to be very durable. I thought that this was absolutely beautiful. In my selections, I tried to pick something that was really fun and different. That was our green bag. Something that was classic, timeless, and dressy, which was our black bag. And then something that was really beautiful, practical, every day, and that is this bag. This color will go with absolutely everything. This is the biggest bag by far, so it's really nice and beautiful and stylish, but also it could carry my laptop, it could carry a notebook, it could carry pens, papers, my phone, my touch-up kit, anything and everything that I would need to put in here would fit. Like I said, it has this really nice magnetized clasp on the top, which keeps everything nice and compact, but also means it's easy to get in and out of. Has this convenient little side pocket here for things that you want to grab quickly. But then also inside, even though this whole bag is really accessible, we do have an interior zipper just for a more protective compartment on this design. Within the interior zipper, there's another zipper pocket and then an open flap, and then on either side of the zippered component, there are two separate compartments. So really good interior organization and structure on this bag. Beautiful feeling material. Again, this one just says genuine leather. If you know what that means, let me know. I love that both of the straps are adjustable. I've left them out at almost the longest length, and you can see this wears just about right under your armpit. I think that's going to be the most comfortable. Super impressed. It smells good. It smells like leather to me. I think it's gorgeous, practical, timeless. All of these I feel like I can carry and enjoy for years to come and throughout all seasons, so I can get a lot of wear out of them. Overall, I'm really impressed and really happy, but of course, I'm always eager to hear what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, links or if I have discounts will be in the description box down below. Get in the comments, let me know what you think or which one is your favorite. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!